I'm going to put the magazine in for you.
Alright.
You're going to charge it. Charging it means putting a round into the chamber. I loaded you one round. Okay? So, you're going to hold it. You're going to hold it just like this. Or are you right-handed?
I'm right-handed.
Okay. So you're going to put it in your other hand. Okay?
So
I will put
into
them.
my left?
No, in your right.
My right. Okay. So like this.
Okay.
Okay.
Put this cheek on this right here.
Okay.
Alright, you see that, you look through that, and you should see this.
It's not going to kick back in
No,
the
it's
face.
not.
Can we just go home and wrestle or something?
Alright.
I'm gonna insert, take your fingers, always
No
go
way.
off.
There's no way to regain my manhood right now.
You were just the guy that fucking fucked up. It's okay. It's okay.
Now reach up to this right here. See this?
Hey, does she have earplugs in, bro?
Hey!
Hold this back.
Hey,
You want earplugs?
Yeah, Kirsty, throw those on her,
Wait,
please.
You need to wait. Oh. Just give it to
Yeah,
her.
Kirsty, just put them on her.
Okay. I'm not
Thank
I'm
you.
not on there, I promise.
It was on there.
Okay.
If it's in there, it's on there.
Alright, I got you.
Where's your ears?
See this
Right
button
there.
right here?
Yep.
Okay, grab this.
Thank you.
Keep your finger out of the left.
Okay.
Bring this hand over here. Put this right here. There you go. Hold it firmly.
Okay.
Pull this tight.
Okay.
Forward us, belly.
put your
Okay,
left
see
foot
that?
forward.
Now, whatever you want to shoot, you're going to put this on top of this right here.
Okay.
Okay? What are you going to aim at?
That target.
That target. Okay?
Yep.
Exhale and squeeze the trigger.
That wasn't that bad. That wasn't bad at all. That wasn't bad.
She's all done.